Mario's getting the iPhone 10.
I might.
Excited?
We gotta see right now. We don't know.
Getting a new iPhone.
We don't know yet. She's trying to speak into existence.
So Vario got the iPhone 10. We'll see if he likes it. Can't wait till he unboxes it. He just has to back it up to his phone, but he got the 256 gig one. So he got it. Uh-oh.
That shit's sexy. Look at that, John.
Let me see.
That's on it.
Sleek. Here you go.
Well, things come with it.
Oh, you get AirPods?
AirPods. You got the cord on there.
Oh.
Okay.
Wow, he actually got it. You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Doing that face recognition. So what do you think about it right so far?
It's very sleek. It's fast. I like that.
True. Any differences, major differences that you see?
Size, really. I don't know my Twitter password.
You better remember that, huh?
Right now?
So do you like your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a little apprehensive about it? Really?
Yeah, why do you want me to be apprehensive? You don't want me to like it.
I do want you to like it. Mario. Golly. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday. I have no makeup on and I just took a shower. Had a whole concert, but okay, so I just got a package in the mail and I wanted to open it on camera. I think it's from my friend Tiffany, but I want to just open it up because I think packages are fun. So here it is. I believe it's a book. So let's open this and move the Doritos. Oh, this looks cool. The Hate You Give. Absolutely riveting and stunning. This is what it looks like. This book is beautiful. Oh my god, I know this was expensive. Wow, let's see what this is about. 16-year-old Star Carter moves between two worlds, the poor black neighborhood where she lives and the fancy suburban prep school she attends. The uneasy balance between these worlds is shattered when Star witnesses the fatal shooting of her childhood best friend Khalil at the hands of a police officer. Investigating the incident, protesters take to the streets and Star's neighborhood becomes a war zone. What everyone wants to know is what really went down that night. This looks like a story I'm going to get really into because I hate police violence and everything that has to do with it. So this seems really cool. Definitely gonna read this. I need to push myself to read my book, seriously. Thank you so much, Tiffany. I really love this. Thank you. I'm sure it's gonna be really interesting. This is what the book looks like. About this thick. This is gonna be a challenge for me. I'm gonna try to read this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, what I'm wearing today, we're going into town. Finally wearing my new coat that Lauren got me. This whole outfit is from Christmas, so it's lit. Let's go.
She's shopping again. This would make her happy right here. Just shopping all day. So she never put this clip in the vlog because she don't want y'all to see how much she be shopping. But I'm gonna talk about it though. There she is. Shopping. She hype. Hype. She's hype. So tell them how hype you are about what you just purchased.
Not that hype. Oh, it looks so nice in this lighting. Look.
It's great too.
few things. I'm gonna get this. It's like a set of 2. A frame. Vario's getting a clock. Got some straws. Got this. More straws. I really like this. One of these frames. They look like that. Decisions. Hey guys, we're in Target. I'm just picking up some things. I'm gonna try this Lean Cuisine meal. Dang. Got some sliced strawberries, blueberries, some Amy's meal. Wait, this isn't the bowl I wanted.
That's the one I got.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are mine. These are the ones I got. Do you like your latte?
Yeah, you want to taste it?
No, I don't. Thank you. So we just got home, or we've been home for a little bit actually. I have Up playing right now. Vario got this from the ABC store, Bird Dog Kentucky Blended Whiskey, 80 proof. No, I will be drinking wine. So I just want to show you guys what kind of wine I picked up. Wine, it's this Yellowtail Red Rue. I guess because it's kangaroo. Yeah, this is what I got. It's only like $6.99, so. And we got wine glasses, or this is like champagne glasses, but my sister got me these, and I'm so glad because I was about to have to just drink it in like a regular cup, but that's no fun. Yeah, I got a nice wine glass here, you know. About to pour up some wine, see how it tastes. It smells strong. We're just gonna drink it and hope that we get turned up, okay? So let's just I'm gonna get turned up off this. Red wine. Cheerio. Cheerio. Okay, let me stop. Okay, let me stop. I think it's already gotten to me. Eagles just won the playoffs, so it's crazy in the city tonight. So that'll be fun to see if we see any fans. Yeah, but I'm gonna like maybe report back and show you guys if I get a little tipsy off this. It was only $6.99. I love buying deals. I love deals, okay? I love them. Guys, we just got some breakfast. Vario got blueberry pancakes and some sausage and home fries. And I got blueberry waffle with some eggs and spicy sausage.
Letitia.
So good.
Letitia.
And what's this place called again?
Cedar Park Cafe.
Cedar Park Cafe. We got this place before.
That was the first place we got when we moved here.
Yep. We are getting ramen. At this place called Yamet in Chinatown. I just got some ramen. Ordered some. And I also ordered a milk boba tea. We had to park in one of the parking garages because there was no parking. Vario doesn't like his soup. Okay, try him. You like it? It's good. Let me try it.